So good afternoon everyone. Today I am back again with a new chapter of English, that is tense, which is not at all new, but we know many more things, but sometimes we have some confusions regarding tenses, what and how we can use. So I'm going to clarify all those confusions, and after that if any confusions require, you can WhatsApp, you can send messages, and then we can clarify it all. So let us start our today's lesson, tense. So our today's lesson is tense. As we know that tense is related with the time. Okay, we know that tense means time. So whenever we refer time, time means we have three kinds of times. Okay, past, present, future. So nowadays we say that live in the past, live in the present moment. Okay, most of the time we say it that live in the present moment after COVID situation, isn't it? After COVID pandemic, everything has become so so temporary that we do not even think of permanency of our future also. So whatever is coming in our present time, let us live in the present moment. So this is the part of it, this is a part of our discussion, but let us focus on three times: past, present and future. Basically we have three times, and in these three times whatever actions we are doing, according to the action we are making this difference, and this action is particularly related with a particular parts of speech. We know that how many parts of speeches are there? How many parts of speeches are there? 8 parts of speeches are there. Among them, one part of speech is related with time, and that is verb. Okay, verb. Verb means action words are all called verb. Action words means whatever we are doing. Okay, whatever we are doing, that is called action words. Suppose I am now taking your class. Take, that word take, that is a verb. Take, do, go, then walk, then run, then anything, then show, dance, talk, all these things are verbs. So these words are related with the time. So now what is tense? Tense is the relation between time and verb, time and action verb. Okay, that we know already. So moreover, I have tried to make it more clear that tense means always remember that the word verb is related with tense. Okay, so now we will go to the next slide. That is, we have three tenses that we know: present, then past, then future. Okay, so in these three types of tenses, we have 4 more sub divisions. Okay, 4 more subtypes. Okay, so these subtypes are indefinite, indefinite or simple, simple or indefinite present tense, past tense, future tense. Then continuous, continuous, or it is called progressive. Okay, progressive. Then perfect, perfect, then perfect, continuous. So these 4 subtypes are there. In these means these 4 subtypes are for all these 3 basic tenses. Okay, suppose for past tense we have 4 subtypes, for present tense we have 4 subtypes, then for future tense also we have 4 subtypes. And how it is defined? According to the action. the action that we do, the action we have done, the action that we are doing, the action that we will do. Okay. So basically they are means defined like that. So our first concern is with, we will start with simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Now let us go to first simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Now basically simple present tense means the action that we do every day, habitual work, that is called. The action which is always, means it is universally accepted. Okay, means universal truth which cannot be changed according to the time. That is also coming under simple present tense. And regular activities. Okay, so simple present tense means regular things. Suppose habitual action, our habits, regular activities, or universal truth. Okay, so these are the simple present tense form, habits, regular activities and universal truth. Now what habit do we have? For habit, if we take an example, can you tell me an example of habit that you do regularly? Yes, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. That is regular activity. That is means in my habit. It is my habit. Regular activity. If I say regular activity, tell me a regular activity that you do rather than habits. Habit we do regularly, but we have some particular activities regularly we do. Huh? Taking bath, or I go to you go to your office, no, every day. You go to your office, that is coming under your habit and as well as your regular activity also. Directly you cannot say that it is my habit because we spend Saturday, Sundays, holidays, isn't it? That time we do not miss our school or our workplace. We go to another place, isn't it? Means going out of the house, that can be my habit. But I go to my workplace every day, that means it is my regular activity. Okay. So regular activities, I go to my workplace on weekdays. You got my point, where the difference is here. Habit means habitual action, then regular activities, and one more is there, that is universal truth. Okay. So now which are universal truth? Universal truths are those truths which cannot be changed. Suppose honesty is the best policy. So we cannot say that honesty was the best policy or honesty will be the best policy, isn't it? We cannot say this. So always we will say honesty is the best policy. In the same way, the sun rises in the east. We cannot change this truth. The sun rises in the east. Okay. So in that way we use. Suppose here I am writing the universal truth. The sun rises in the east. That is universal truth. Now you go for the means verb. Okay. How the sentence is constructed. You see I. Okay. First of all, you see the verb brush. In regular activities, the verb is go. And in universal truth, the verb is rises. Now we have three verb forms. Okay. Where will I write? Here. We have three verb forms. First form, second form, third form. Okay? Verb forms that you have to remember for making your tense clear. Okay? Verb forms you have to know. Suppose if I take the word brush. Brush is an active, means action word. Okay? So if I take the word brush, brush will come in the first form. Okay? If I take the word go, isn't it? Go will come in the first form. If I take the word rises, rises will come in the first form. Isn't it? What will be the second form of brush? Second form means, here first form means present. Second form means past. In the past tense, which form of verb you are going to use? And in the first form, present form, here past, then past participle. No future form, okay? Past participle. Third form is the past participle form. Okay. So now, what will be the past form of brush? Brushed. Okay. What will be the past participle form of brush? Same, brushed. Go. The past form of go is went. The past participle form of go is what? No, gone. Not went. That's why whenever going for learning tense, we have to learn the three verb forms. Present form, past form and past participle form. So that we can use it in particular subtypes. Okay. So rises. Why rises? Why not rise? Because with the third person, always the verb means included with S or ES. Okay. Rises. The past form of rises is rose. Huh? Then the past participle form is risen. Understood? So these three verb forms you have to understand. Okay. So this is the simple present tense form. Now in simple present tense form, you will see two types of sentences are there. One is affirmative, another one is negative. So both these forms are in simple present tense form. Affirmative is there, negative is there, and question is also there.